Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Troy here. Hope everybody's having a great day, great night, whenever you're watching this video at the time. Um, I'd like to call this video and talk about that on my property I am the judge, the jury, and the executioner. And the reason I say that is times are so much different than back when a lot of us were younger. You know, you could leave your doors open and your windows open with no, worry about somebody breaking in. And with the the screwed up government we have, and the past presidents too as well, they screwed up that people are hurting bad, and the criminals are more desperate, and they will do nothing uh, but try to steal what you have, hurt you, kill you, whatever it is, home invasions and everything like that. And you cannot rely on any police force to get there in time to protect you. And I'm not saying this to be a badass, and I know a lot of people will go, oh, Troy, you can't say things like that. Well, actually you can. And I mentioned my video in a couple of my videos before that I live in Florida, and we have what they call stand your ground, and it's something that will come up in the Trayvon Martin case, if you have, which a lot of people have heard about. And stand your ground basically states that if you don't have to be even in fear for your life to shoot somebody or use deadly force, you just have to be in fear of bodily harm. And it doesn't have to necessarily be in your home. It can be in your car. It can be, out in public. So basically, if you feel that somebody is going to do some type of bodily harm to you or somebody else, you have the right to protect yourself and even use deadly force. And if you're found that you do that, and they find out, check everything out, and they're not going to charge you, then also you're not able to be sued by any family members of that person, or anything like that. So I can say that, and I'm not saying it to be like a bully in my neighborhood. I'm not saying, hey kid, get off my lawn, things like that. But you have to be your own judge, jury, and executioner. You have to be nowadays. And sometimes you have to make quick decisions. Thank goodness I haven't, but I will have no qualms about shooting somebody that is going to come into my house, try to hurt my family, try to take things from me, and I will shoot them, and it will be dead center mass, and if they die, they die, and I have no problem with that. And I hope a lot of folks out there are the same way, but you have to know your local laws or your state laws because you can get in some trouble out there. I can't remember exactly when they passed the stand your ground law here in Florida. I know it used to be is you had to be in fear of your life, and if you had some way of trying to, get away, you should try before you did anything like that. And I know it's like that in some states still too as well. So you have to be, up on the laws in your state, or however they work. It's some people's by city, county, whatever. So because you can get a lot of trouble, you get put in jail. I've heard of people being put in jail thinking they were doing right by themselves and their family, and then and they weren't. So so just let me know if you go by the same adage that I do, that on your property you are your own judge, jury, and executioner. And here's some of the weapons that I will use to protect myself. I have my my Beretta 9mm, my Bushmaster AR-15, my AK-47. It's hard to see, but my Mossberg 12 gauge shotgun, my MP-1522. So I will use anything to protect, like I said, myself, my family, and my property, and I will be the judge, jury, and executioner. So let me know if that's what you guys thoughts are too as well. Do you think that's too strong? So let me know in the comments. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you disagree, be nice about it and tell me which you disagree with. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you subscribe to our channel, we'll subscribe to yours. And we thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.